Good afternoon, everyone. Look, all the examiners are stranded in one place. They stopped the examination of an actual to take license for the barca, and now they are there. They are now hiding because too much rain. Look, you cannot see nothing. It's blurred. Oh, thunders! Look, oh, too much rain. You hear that sounds? The thunder. Here we go. Look, oh, look the rain. I'm hiding now here inside the boat. The wind. Oh, look. Oh. Woo. You can see nothing. You cannot see the sea. Look. Oh. They're getting wet. Everybody's getting wet now. Look, the lady. Where's she going? Oh, there's one boat still. Still they're doing their examination. Look. Oh, look. The examiner to take a license. Look, the officer of the port police. They're getting wet. Oh, too pity. Guys, Greece now, it's too much rain.